Mars. Today we know it as a frozen, sun-bleached desert where liquid water is extremely unstable at the surface. But if you look closely at its landscape from orbit, the planet tells a radically different story. Meandering channels, ancient river deltas, and potential shorelines. These are the footprints of a planetary-scale transformation. What if, billions of years ago, the red planet wasn't red at all? What if early Mars was an ocean world, harboring vast bodies of liquid water? And more importantly, if an ocean truly existed here, where did an entire planet's worth of water go? Evidence on the surface. For decades, the idea of a Martian ocean was regarded as mere speculation, but data from orbiting spacecraft and surface rovers have reshaped our understanding. In Mars's northern hemisphere lies a vast, astonishingly flat basin. Many scientists have proposed that this depression once contained Oceanus Borealis, a vast ancient sea bordered by landforms resembling coastal terraces. Rovers have also identified hydrated minerals, including clays and salts, whose formation or alteration is associated with interactions with water. These hydrated minerals reveal something crucial. Water played an important role in altering the Martian surface over long periods of geological time. What was the Martian world like? Some models suggest an ocean may have covered a significant portion of Mars's northern lowlands during the Noachian period. If these reconstructions are correct, an atmosphere may have helped retain enough heat to support liquid water at the surface under a younger sun. Yet, this was no tranquil paradise. Mars was shaken by titanic volcanic eruptions, and frequent asteroid impacts triggered catastrophic megatsunamis, leaving behind chaotic piles of boulder debris along candidate shorelines. The Great Transformation. Where did the water go? More than 3 billion years ago, a slow planetary transformation was already underway. Because Mars is smaller than Earth, its interior cooled faster. As Mars lost its global magnetic field, its upper atmosphere became increasingly vulnerable to the solar wind. Over immense spans of time, Mars lost much of its atmosphere, and with lower pressure and colder conditions, stable liquid water became increasingly difficult to maintain. Mars didn't lose its water in a single catastrophic event. It lost it slowly. Some to space, some to ice, some locked inside minerals, and potentially much of it deep beneath the surface. Hidden reserves and the chance for life. Seismic data from NASA's InSight mission have been used to investigate whether large amounts of water could be locked deep within the Martian crust. Together with the planet's polar ice and water locked inside minerals, these reservoirs show that some of Mars's ancient water may still be preserved today, just in forms far different from the ocean it may once have had. Which brings us to the ultimate question: did life ever have time to emerge? On Earth, microbial life took root around the same era when Mars had active surface water. If life ever emerged on Mars, the safest place for it may have been underground, and that means its traces could still be waiting for us. How we will know for sure. Resolving the mystery of the Martian ocean isn't just about reading satellite maps. Rovers like Perseverance are currently caching rock cores from ancient lakebed deltas, samples designed to be brought back to Earth for isotopic analysis. By analyzing ratios of heavy water in pristine Martian minerals and deploying next-generation orbital radars, scientists hope to map exactly how much water remains locked in the crust. The definitive proof of Oceanus Borealis and the microfossils it might hold may only be a few missions away. In unearthing its lost ocean, we are exploring one of the biggest questions in planetary science: how a potentially habitable world can transform into the frozen desert we see today. And if traces of ancient life are still hiding beneath the surface, Mars may not be a dead world at all. It may be a world waiting to tell us what happened. Do you think we'll discover evidence of ancient Martian life in our lifetime? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep space investigations.